Hi, I'm Katie Clancy, Chief House Hawker at the Cape House at William Ravis.
And I'm Sarah Lapsley-Martin of Kinlan Grover Real Estate, and this is What's Good Cape Cod, where we show you Cape Cod through the eyes of a couple of locals.
Each episode, we bring you a person, a place, or a thing that we think you should check out. So Sarah, talk to me. What is our person, our What's Good person this week?
So our What's Good person is Tiffany Narbone. She's a local here in Dennis. She's the owner and the creator of Jazelle, which is a jewelry company. So she has a local shop in Dennis, but they are available at retailers across the country. She makes bracelets with charms that have a meaning. So I actually have some. You can't just have one. You have to have a whole stack. So I've got a few different ones on. But the reason she's our person is she's been doing something really cool. Some of you may have seen her on Channel 5 News. Always cool to see a local on the news. But she has designed a Corona relief bracelet. So what she's doing is she's donating $5 of every sale of bracelet to the Corona Relief Fund. And she's already raised over $10,000, which is so amazing.
That's just incredible. Yeah, we actually had her as a guest at a Rotary, which is a whole other conversation. Rotarians on Zoom, it's crazy. But she came and she spoke to us, and it was just really cool. She's so humble, and she's having a baby.
She just announced that she's having a baby, so congrats, very exciting.
So cool. We wish her the best, and we'll make sure that there are links if you want to go buy a bracelet to support the COVID relief stuff she's working on, or you just want to buy any of her other work. It's all gorgeous stuff.
Agreed.
Okay, so what is our What's Good Cape Cod place this week?
So our place this week is the Plum Porch gift shop. It is owned by two sisters, Samantha and Corey. It is adorable. So right now, because of what's happening, we're not really able to go in their shop. So what they've been doing is they've been posting on social media. They'll do videos and actually almost like little tours of what they have available. Then what you can do is you send them a message, tell them what you want to buy. They call you, you pay over the phone, and they actually have a porch pickup. So you go to their porch, they have cubbies, and they just leave the bag in the cubbies, which is just awesome.
It's the cutest thing. You've posted a lot of pictures of it, pictures of you picking up your stuff out of your cubby, yeah. And you have been hitting the porch pretty hard, haven't you?
I love it. I think it's so cute. And especially when it was Easter, we were able to, order gifts online, and I could go pick them up locally. So one of the things I'll show you is they have these seed starter grow kits that Liv and I planted. So look how large this bean's getting.
Close to the camera. Let me see.
So super cute. And this has just been something so fun that we can do. And every morning, my daughter loves looking at it. It's great. So it's a learning experience too. She got to plant the seeds and see them grow. And eventually we'll plant them outside.
Very cool.
Yeah, so that's, and they're also doing some great things for the community. So at Easter time, they did partner with a baby center, and they were doing Easter baskets that they put together that people could donate $15, and the Easter basket would go to a local child in need. And what they're doing right now, they actually have a give and give back program. So you buy for $8.95, it's a lotion and a little soap that they gift wrap, and they actually deliver to anyone in Barnstable that you want. So it's great. You can pick a friend, someone that you've worked with, that you can send this little I'm thinking of you gift. And then what they do is they match it, and they wrap up and donate gift baskets to the Cape Cod Hospital. So I know they did the Cape Cod Hospital ICU. The next one's going out to the Falmouth ICU. So just a great way that they're also giving back to the community.
They are such a great example of a great way to respond, for businesses to respond in the face of challenge and controversy, like not controversy, but just a challenge, like this unprecedented. And I think it's going to be businesses like that do a couple things. One, they're super focused on giving. And yes. I know for a fact that they're sweating it. Every small business on the Cape right now is sweating it. Right. They do not know what's going on with employees, whether they're going to let people back in stores. They're going to be like the last places to open. Talk about, quote, non-essential. Like, yeah. It is scary stuff. So they have the choice to sit there and be paralyzed by it, or to get into action. And they've been relentless in action and in their giving. I just think that combination is unstoppable. I think they're going to be okay. And look, they made it to our show. So there you go. So super, super proud of them. It's really good.
Agreed.
Oh, what's what's good Cape Cod thing this week? I know what it is, and I can't wait for you to talk.
Okay, so our thing, not just for kids, like some people might think, it's going to be decorating cookies and cupcakes. So anyone that loves baked goods can do this, not just for kids. And our friends over at the Underground Bakery in Dennis, they've put together these kits. So they have dinosaurs, they've got flowers and butterflies. And in the kits, it has icing and it has sprinkles. So you can actually buy the kit and then decorate it. And they also sell this, it's like a rainbow dough that you actually can bring home, slice and bake with the kids. So a great activity for anyone to do on a rainy day when we're trying to think of things to do.
Yeah, I love, again, this is another example of small businesses innovating, just rolling with it. They're not sitting there feeling sorry for themselves. They're like, how can we, like, cupcakes bring joy. Cupcakes are not essential, but joy is. So how can we get cupcakes and cookies out there to the community so they can actually still have that pleasure? Because that is also, I think what we're all missing is that those little pleasures that you get when you go and you go get a pizza or you go get an ice cream, or you go, that's not food you need. This isn't, particularly nutritious. It's
Right.
not keeping you alive in body, but in heart and soul, it really is. And this stuff is just taking some of the heaviness off of our hearts and putting it on our hips, actually. But who cares?
Exactly.
We'll figure that out after the quarantine.
Yeah, we'll worry about that later. And the Underground Bakery, they also are doing, call ahead pickup orders. So you don't have to get cupcakes or cookies. You can get lunch and things like that as well.
What's your favorite thing to get at Underground?
It's all, well, see, I do like going in and browsing the treats is my thing. Yeah. But now you can browse on their social media, and they make these donuts with, like so many crazy, amazing toppings. They look beautiful, almost too good to eat.
I've seen, and I regret that I haven't done it, as I have not tried their ramen. And I think if I can get that online, I think I'm going to try it.
I agree. I haven't tried it yet, and I've been really meaning to.
Yeah. All right. So there it is, you guys. That's our person, our place, and our thing for this week. If you keep tuning into us, before long, you'll know Cape Cod like we know Cape Cod.